What is it? What is it? ये खाएगा क्या घूस लेगा ए घूस का
हाँ हम नहीं खाएंगे इसको हम नहीं Hello, Tiru Pastor.
Hi.
How are you?
Super fine.
Where are we going?
We are going to how do we say? I forgot, yeah.
Kaziranga.
Kaziranga
Kaziranga National Park.
Yes. Let's see how it would be.
Okay.
Now we are in Karbi Anglong, Garam Pani. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Welcome to Tour Kaziranga.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, Samshit.
Hello. Wow.
Hello.
Hi.
Bye bye garam pani. Pilih kau abis nak. Asyik. Lepas.
Hello.
Some करने भी आने भी दे.
You're ready.
Everyone here.
Kahi.
Tinggal lo ane.
Gar chung katau dok gam tawin.
Hey, you hear about fun?
Just take your time, okay? Just. Hey, you guys don't click us, yeah. You guys don't click us.
Hello. Hope everyone is doing good. Yes. We are in Kaziranga National Park in Assam. Actually, we are having a practical class, and then we are like practical class of environmental ethics. We're exploring the beauty of Kaziranga. There's so many animals like rhino, elephant, types of varieties of birds, and this and that. So we want to give a special thanks to our mentor also, Sir Reverend Dr. Sebasthan, for taking us, for initiating all those things, and then making up this time a precious and remarkable one. Thank you so much, everyone. See you later. Meet my girlfriend for some time. Nominal crush. Temporary.
Just for temporary.
Temporary girlfriend.
Just for today. Tiger do not kill me. Just follow. I see that.
Movie today chicken no ile na. Mo na digido.
Hala na ko lagi na. Hala na ko.
Hi. Ayo, tay la tat to man dong wa ju eh.
Hi, elephant.
Oh.
Yeah, Sakhi. Here.
Wow, ini kata gitu na.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Crying, yeah? Or what? That sound.
Photo Daddy.
Okay. Yeah, we are screaming like anything. Enough.
Your brother. I got tomato. One bottle of tomato.
말을 길어야 돼, 엄마들. 길고 너무 넣어.
Anga khi khindeng bisa pun ladengman. Ari ang iki jeng sepedang sejeng pedang satu. Phone na bi labai thabai ba boma kai khindeng. Everyone good.
Come, come.
그런 거구나. 네, 잠깐.
YouTuber